Hi, this is Anju. Welcome to my academic session today. तो आज मैं बात करूँगी CBSE ने सोशल साइंस का, वैसे तो सभी सब्जेक्ट का किया है, सोशल साइंस का नोटिफिकेशन दिया है. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट टर्म वन. टर्म वन में फ्रॉम हिस्ट्री द राइज ऑफ नेशनलिज्म इन यूरोप, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर. इसमें यू कैन प्रिपेयर द फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन एंड द आइडिया ऑफ नेशन, द मेकिंग ऑफ नेशनलिज्म इन यूरोप, द एज ऑफ रेवोल्यूशंस 1830, 1848, the making of Germany and Italy, visualizing the nation, nationalism and imperialism. Next chapter from Geography, Term 1, Chapter 1, Resources and Development. In this chapter, you will prepare types of resources, development of resources, resources planning in India, land resources, land utilization, land use pattern in India, land degradation and conservation measures, soil as a resource, classification of soils, and soil erosion and conservation. Next chapter again, term 1, water resources. From geography it is taken. But always remember, in this chapter you will have only map work in the board examination. Next chapter, agriculture. From geography, chapter 4, types of farming, cropping pattern, major crops, technological and institutional reforms, impact of globalization can be asked. Then term 1, civics. Chapter 1 and 2 both are taken, power sharing and federalism in this chapter. What is federalism? What makes India a federal country? All that can be asked. Then come to the economics. Chapter 1, development. What development promises? Different people, different goals, income and other goals. National development, how to compare different countries and state, income and other criteria, public facilities, sustainability of development, etc. can be asked in this chapter. Next, chapter 2, sectors of Indian economy. From economics, term 1, sectors of economic activities, comparing the three sectors, primary, secondary and tertiary sector in India. Division of sectors as organized and unorganized. Sectors in terms of ownership and private sector can be asked in this. इन टर्म 1 मैप किस तरीके से आएगा वो मैं आपको पेपर पैटर्न के साथ बताऊंगी, बट मैप स्किल्स में विच चैप्टर विल बी आस्क्ड? रिसोर्सेज एंड डेवलपमेंट, इसमें मेजर सोइल टाइप्स. देन चैप्टर 3, वाटर रिसोर्सेज, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मल्टीपर्पज रिवर प्रोजेक्ट्स, डैम्स. एंड चैप्टर 4, एग्रीकल्चर. इन दिस मेजर एरियाज ऑफ राइस एंड व्हीट. देन लार्जेस्ट मेजर प्रोड्यूसर स्टेट ऑफ शुगर केन, टी, कॉफ़ी, रबर, कॉटन एंड जूट. एंड डैम्स में आपका भाखड़ा, नागल, टेरी, राणा प्रताप, सरदार सरोवर, हीराकुड, नागार्जुना एंड तुंगभद्रा. दे कैन बी आस्क्ड इन मल्टीपर्पज रिवर प्रोजेक्ट इन चैप्टर 3. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट टर्म 2 फ्रॉम हिस्ट्री. चैप्टर 2, नेशनलिज्म इन इंडिया. ये चैप्टर टर्म 2 में पूछा जाएगा, जो कि CBSE मार्च या अप्रैल में बोर्ड का एग्ज़ाम टर्म 2 लेगा. उसमें यू कैन स्टडी सम topics. Section 2, livelihood, economics and societies. इसमें इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ ये है कि ये थीम जो है थीम 2 में कोई एनी वन थीम कैन बी चूजन, लाइक मेकिंग ऑफ ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड और एज ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन. इन तीनों में से कोई भी एक थीम के ऊपर ही आपसे पूछा जाएगा, कोई एक थीम आप प्रिपेयर करेंगे. यस, ऑफ कोर्स पीरियडिक टेस्ट में पूछी जा सकती है. Now come to the term 2, geography, minerals and energy resources, chapter 5. In this again, this chapter will be asked in periodic test. ये केवल periodic test में पूछा जाएगा और इसमें से केवल मैप वर्क ही बोर्ड में पूछा जाएगा. Again next chapter from geography, chapter 6, manufacturing industries. इसमें importance of manufacturing, contribution of industry, industrial location, classification of industries, and different types of industrial pollution, degradation, control of environmental degradation. Then chapter 7, in continuation, lifelines of national economy, transport, roadways, railways, pipelines, waterways, airways, communication, international trade and tourism as a trade. Term 2, civics, chapter 6, political parties. It will be asked in second term. Next chapter 7, outcome of democracy. This is also one of the chapter which is taken in civics. Come to economics part, term 2, money and credit, chapter 3, money as a medium of exchange, modern form of money, loan activities of banks, two different credit situation, terms of credit, formal sector credit in India, self-help group for the poor. So these are the topics for the money and credit. Coming to the chapter 4, economics, globalization and the Indian economy, production across country, interlinking production across country, foreign trade, what is globalization, factors of globalization can be asked. Then map work for second term. This is very important. History, chapter 2, nationalism in India, 1980, 1930. All Indian National Congress session, Calcutta, Nagpur, Madras will be asked. Important centers of Indian national movements will be asked. Then geography, chapter 5, minerals and energy resources, in which power plants, thermal, nuclear plants will be asked, like Indian national movement, Champaran, Bihar, Kheda, Gujarat, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, Amritsar, Punjab, Chauri Chaura, UP, Dandi, Gujarat will be asked. Then in geography, chapter 6, manufacturing industries, cotton textile industry, Mumbai, Indore, Surat, iron and steel plants, Durgapur, Bokaro, Jamshedpur, software technology parks, Noida, Gandhinagar, Mumbai, Pune. Then come to the chapter 7, again lifeline of Indian economy, different types of ports, international airports. These will be asked in map work. I think this divided syllabus will be easy to understand. Term 1 and term 2, social science syllabus, class 10. Thank you. Keep watching, keep learning with Anju.